Hello guys, I'm Mike Tibel of MTech Tutorial Hub. If you are into the passport photograph business or you are willing to get into the business, this tutorial is actually meant for you. In today's lesson, you will learn how to perform simple touches or editing on a picture after a snapshot. By this, you can able to keep your customers and also attract prospective customers and make a cool cash out of it. Let's delve straight into the business now. After giving a snapshot on the camera, all you need to do is to plug in. I'll connect my camera straight to the computer so that I can extract the picture. Yep. Here we go. Then I used Photoshop's CC 64-bit is what I use. I can now launch it. Launching it now. Yep, here we are. All you need to do is go to the file, click on open, then here am I want to view my picture that I want to edit. Yes, this is the picture that I want to do some little touches on it. The picture looks dull for now, but after editing it will look fantastic, look pretty good. Now I will be using a free tool, this tool on it. That's quick selection tool, that's the name. You can use it to select the surrounding of the picture. I'll finish selecting it. Then my intention is to make the background look reddish, because now the background now is not that reddish as needed. Then I want to make it red. Then I move to filter, blue, and average. Now I've blown the background. Press Ctrl M on a keyboard, then use this drag it to get your ready the way you want it. I want it this way. This one is okay for me. Now click OK. Now the next thing I will do is to right click on this and select inverse. Now I'm no more working on the background. Now I'll be working on the picture itself, on the image of the person himself. Now I can now move to filter again and reduce the noise. Use the noise professional to get the noise reduced. Click OK. Yeah, the face is becoming smoother. Then I use portraiture. Portraiture actually it also makes picture good to remove all the wrinkles and some other things, some other views on the face. Yep, here we are. Moving. Let me move to image. You adjust the tone. Yep, adjusting the tone, adjust the contrast, then adjust the auto color. No, I don't need this for now. Now but I can use Ctrl M again to get my curves, and I increase the brightness more. I can increase the brightness. Yep, I think it's cooler now. If you want, you can still add some colors if you feel some colors are missing. Let me add green. You drag up small, get this just small of green. That will make it perfect. Now this is it. I've gotten my picture edited, and now I can now save it on back to the camera. Save as this. Make sure it's showing JPEG here. Then you save. Do you want to replace it? Say yes, you want to replace it. Make sure it's on base standard. Click OK. Now let's view our picture now. How does it look? How does it look? It's up there. Look at it here. I think it's quite pretty. Wow, that's our passport. We've gotten it edited. What remains is the printing, which I'll be showing in the subsequent lesson. But before that, I'll still show you how to remove the background. Remove the background, as in you want to make it maybe white, a white background. You know, people are taking picture here in Nigeria. Some mostly is in red. The background should be red or white or blue. I will show you red and white today. And maybe in the subsequent lecture, I will show you how to do some things of that sort. Now let me export another picture again. Import another picture. Import another picture from here. Any picture. Import any picture. I wish to make the background red, white rather. Let me take this picture. My intention is to make it the background white, not red as in this. I will now use my quick selection tool. For this, you can actually zoom this. You can actually zoom out and in, zoom in and out. You can increase the size like this. Select this, select this. Now you maximize it so you can see well into this. Now look at this, the earring. Make sure you zoom in so that you can get the right thing. Yep, almost there. What is remaining now, I guess, is that a ring. I need to cut it off. I cut it very well. Yep. I reduce the size of the quick selection tool, then I reduce it again. I think it's about to be perfect now. Now I've perfectly selected it. You zoom out. Now press F7 on the keyboard. Your layer here will appear. Then double check on this. Click OK. Then press delete. I've deleted the background. Now you right click, select inverse, then use this filter, then select noise professional here to reduce the noise of the picture. Click OK. Go again and redo and apply the portraiture. Can zoom the passport picture. Look at the scars. If you want, you can even remove the scars of the face there. Click on this spot healing brush, then reduce the size of the spot healing brush. Just tap on this to remove this. Actually remove it. Let me lighten it up small. Small lightening. Click on image, auto tune. Click on auto contrast. Make the contrast small. Click on auto color. No, I don't like this because it's making the picture looks dull. Now let me just try selecting only the face now. Let me remove this. Okay. I'm supposed to use quick selection tool. Look at it here. I'll drop the healing brush. Increase the size of this brush. Great. Lighten it up small. Choose the light like this. Okay. Right click inverse. That's right. You increase the lighting of the face. You can actually reduce, you can actually increase it. Let me add blue to this. Blue is missing. Yeah, great. And I'll now select green again, small green, small green. Yeah, I think this one is okay. It's a little bit okay. I'll click here and I can now export my picture. Click on save. And save as type, then you change it to JPEG. JPEG, then click save, click yes. Now I've succeeded in changing the background from red to white. Now let's view it here. Let's view our work here. There is work, saved it. Where is it? Okay, let me resave it again. I didn't see it here. I have to save it again. Save as JPEG. Make sure JPEG is selected first. Click save. Do you want to replace it? Say yes. It's saving now. You scroll down to locate your picture. Still not there. Go again. It has not finished saving. Close this. Save as. JPEG, this JPEG here. To overwrite the other one there, the existing one. Yes, make sure it is. Yes, now it's supposed to have saved now. Let me refresh my camera. See. Yep, here is it. Saved now. Now we have gotten a white background and a red background of 32 of the background that you can change. There are still many that you can able to change. You can change to any background that you so wish. So thank you for watching my YouTube, my channel. Hope to see you soon in my subsequent video where I will teach you how to print and how to do some other things. Keep watching us. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and comment. Thank you for watching. Love you guys.